What's up, Gear America Nation? This is Chris coming to you from the Gear America West Garage. I'm nestled in the desert just outside of Phoenix, Arizona, and I've got something really awesome to share with you guys today. As you know, here at Gear America, we're always innovating, always coming up with new products, awesome designs, great recovery gear, and all covered by our industry-leading, hassle-free lifetime replacement warranty. You asked for it, we made it. Say hello to the Kinetic Recovery Kit. This is brand new, it's releasing today. I'm gonna put links down below on where you can find it, but let's dig into this one. Welcome back, and like I said, this is something that you asked for. We put together packages based on a lot of customer requests, and we bundle it up so we can save you a little bit of money. This is the Kinetic Recovery Kit, and as you can see, our brand new recovery bag holds it all. So let's take a look and see what's inside. And as we do, I'm going to go through each part piece by piece so you know what you're getting. Now, of course, the first thing you notice, it does come in our brand new recovery bag. So let's take a look at this bag. What do we have? We've got reflective stripes on it, super heavy duty construction. It's got a breathable mesh top on top. It's got two handles that Velcro together, plus an adjustable carry strap on it that is removable with clips. You also have a lanyard for both zippers right here. So let's undo the handles and we'll take a look. Easy to open, easy to close. Velcro at the far end to keep it nice and secure. As I said, you do have that mesh top. I don't know if you can see through it, but this helps everything breathe. That way you don't get any stinky gear in there if it does get muddy or wet. Inside the bag, there are 6 Velcro pockets, so you can keep your wallet, your keys, any kind of stuff in there that you need to. And of course, the Kinetic Recovery Kit is all in the bag. So let's see what we've got. First off, we've got a set of our Gear America recovery gloves. And if you've seen the previous video on this, you know we put a lot of design and engineering into this for protecting your fingers here, protecting the fingertips, nice padding in it, it's breathable, and of course, safety orange, so you're always safe for making hand signals on the trail. You got a set of those in the kit. Next up, not one, but 2 of our synthetic soft shackles. These are rated at 45,000 pounds. They're lightweight, they float, they're safety orange, and an absolute must for any off-roader. Get a pair of those. And finally, our 7/8 by 30-foot kinetic recovery rope. I know you've seen videos on this. This is the rope that stretches about 25 to 27% of its overall length to provide a snatch to recover people from deep sand, mud, or snow. Not to be confused with a tow strap. You definitely need one of those too. A tow strap is for towing. You have a disabled vehicle or need to tow somebody off a trail or down the street, whatever you need. That's what a tow strap is for. It has no stretch. But the kinetic recovery rope harnesses that kinetic energy to snatch somebody out of a really sticky situation. I definitely encourage you to go back and look at some of the videos from 361 Off-Road Rescue. They use this all the time in the deep sand down in the beaches of South Texas. So you get the kinetic recovery rope, a pair of the soft shackles, and a pair of gloves, all nestled in our awesome new recovery bag. So that's it. That's our new Kinetic Recovery Kit from Gear America. It's going live today on the website with a special introductory price. I'm putting some links down below where you can go straight to it and order it right now. And remember, a portion goes to St. Jude's, and it's all covered by our industry-leading lifetime hassle-free replacement warranty. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, definitely leave them below. Be glad to hear from you. And do me a favor, hit that like, hit that subscribe, and ring that bell. That way you'll be the first one notified every time we come out with new gear, which we've got several things coming soon. Fun runs, installs, things like that. All kinds of cool stuff coming from Gear America. So from the Gear America West Garage, this is Chris signing off. And as always, off-road smart and tread lightly.